I'm happy that Hasina came at a time when we wanted that fun party number to come out, and
Oh,
it also, was the first thing that we dropped from the film.
frankly, not giving
Yeah.
any damn about the numbers. वो मेरा concern नहीं है. My concern is of course people's safety. But like I said before, also I just want people to have a good time. Finally, after so many months of just being in this lockdown, going through a lot of shit personally as well.
I'm a dating app veteran actually. And that's the first thing I think I told Kiara when we met.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahni and today I will be chatting with the entertaining trio of Induki Javani, welcoming Kiara Advani, Malika Dua and Aditya Seal. Hello guys, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so firstly tell me this subject on dating apps, I think much needed in Bollywood. No one has done this before. Do you think this is going to change that kind of a shady image that dating apps have in India?
What do you guys think? I don't know
No.
if it'll change the image of that, but I've never really been on a dating app actually. Have you?
Okay.
Adi, I feel you must have been on a dating app.
No, honestly,
From all three of us, he's definitely been on a dating app.
you're so shady for saying that. No, I've actually been on a dating app, but just to see how it was, and
Okay.
I realized
How
it's
was
not
the
for me.
experience?
I felt like I don't know if I should say this, but I felt like fresh meat.
But actually, contrary to that, I actually have friends who've met on like Tinder and various others. But like my best friend, she met her now husband on Tinder.
Oh,
Yeah,
Sometimes it works out
amazing.
well. So whatever works today, na?
yeah, that
Oh.
happened with a bunch of my friends as well. They've met their partners, and I said,
Like
dude, that's a
Tinder
very.
auntie.
I was like,
Yeah.
that's a very weird place to meet. I can understand dating apps, but few datings apps have a certain image that has been that and वहाँ पे मिले मैंने कहा भैया ठीक है, good for you.
Okay. That's nice. Malika, what about you?
I'm a dating app veteran actually. And that's the first thing I think I told Kiara when we met.
Yeah.
Because just before people like got to know my name and all, I was in Delhi, working. And so I was fully on dating apps because I was like, you go to work every day in Gurgaon and then you come back. Where do you meet people? And I don't like to go to clubs or whatever. I'm quite awkward that way. So I was on a lot of dating apps trying to find, some nice, cute boys. I even ended up, being in a very serious relationship via one. And I also got on it because I saw that people actually found love via these apps and they were not as shady or whatever as, people think. Of course, you get shady characters. Now I can't be on them because now if I'm on them, no, what happens is that even if you don't swipe right, left, idhar udhar, you get messages on your other social media ki hi ma'am aapko dekha udhar, what are you doing there? Or someone sent my manager a message saying there's a fake profile. I said no, there's no fake profile, I'm just really
That's
desperate.
me.
Like, there is no fake profile. So but I think it's really fun, it's quite cute because there's no like middle agenda. You both know why you're on it. And
Okay.
some people even write why they're on it, even if it's not a relationship, even if it's a hookup or shadi or jo bhi karna, you can just write.
Like
So
Malika's
I'm very
dialogue in the film where she says,
Yeah.
what's your dialogue, Malika, where you say, 2020 hai yaar.
Yeah, 2020 है यार. Facebook और
Straightforward.
Facebook और पता नहीं किसका जमाना है, like trying to be very forward, but that's how it is, no? Like even like fast food, fast love, that's how everything is right.
Okay, yeah, correct. And talking about the release of the film, the Indu Ki Jawani is going to be the second Hindi film to release in theaters, and I'm sure you all must be very excited because of the entire web thing that films were not actually releasing in theaters because of the shutdown. But how do you overall feel about this?
Like you said, I mean, I think we're all excited, especially because it's been, we shot this film and we were expecting for it to release earlier this year. Now, finally, when things are getting back to normal slowly with all the precautions, theaters have opened, everything. It's I think daring on our producers' parts and everybody's parts to kind of go and decide, like, we're going to come in theaters and let's do this. So we're nervous, excited, mixed feelings right now. But yeah, I think I'm just excited for people to watch the film now.
I'm not nervous about the numbers at all. I'm frankly not giving any damn about the numbers. वो मेरा concern नहीं है. My concern is of course people's safety. But like I said before also, I just want people to have a good time finally after so many months of just being in this lockdown, going through a lot of shit personally as well. It's time we have to start living a little, and I think I hope this is a tiny momentum in that direction. It's a tiny
Okay.
push in that direction.
Okay. Malika, what do you think about it?
I think people are stepping again and everything. And like I said in another interview, I'd said that, when I took my first flight after the whole lockdown ended and all, I realized that a lot of these places are safer than other places because of the precautions that people take. That said, no one should do anything they're uncomfortable with. I mean, it'll come from within you. I think God knows, I really want to step out and, watch something nice, be safe, and but have a good time at the same time. Yeah. And I'm very happy that ये film आ रही है.
Okay. And back in September, Hasina Pagal Diwani was released, a song from your film, and just a week after that, we saw a similar song from another film called Sunny Weds Guinea. So, what was that entire thing about? Because Mika Singh had hemmed both the songs. So, what was because there was this confusion on social media because two of similar songs releasing almost at the same time.
Taji's on a roll, huh? Done 2 songs and they've both done pretty well, I think. I think that's something only T series. I mean, we are not the right people to answer that because I don't think I don't even know how these things work and things like that. But coming to the song, I think the love that the song got was next level, and it was a lot of fun because it had been a while since a fun number and a party song had come up, and luckily around that time somehow शादियां तो शुरू होने लगी उसके बाद. Weddings have started happening. People are getting married left, right, and center. Back to the way we celebrate our Indian weddings. So there was a song for them to dance to, and that was fun because I was constantly getting tagged on all these, on all these videos they were putting up, and it kind of felt really good and encouraging that, that's what songs do, right? They bring out that they let you just have fun and, transport you into another world altogether. So I'm happy that Hasina came at a time when we wanted that fun party number to come out, and it also, was the first thing that we dropped from the film. So it kind of set the vibe of the film. So yeah.
It's so funny. This is years back when the original song had just come out, and that was the first New Year that I remember spending. So there's this club, this is a cricket club called the MIG Cricket Club. So there used to be New Year parties over there, and I have a very clear memory of that. The song had come out, Sawan Mein Lag Gayi Aag, and Mika Singh had come over there to perform. And I think that was the only song, if I'm not wrong, of his that was out at that time. That was quite a rage. And Mika was there. He was performing and he was doing his typical head karne wala. For 3 hours, he just sang that song, went insane. We all had a ball of a time. I mean, imagine, I'm talking about, I don't know how long the song has come out, but I remember, I still have that memory. So it's left a good impact in my mind.
Okay. Yeah. Malika, do you want to add something to that?
I love that that the version in Indu Ki Jawani has been sung by Asis, and I love that it's about Indu, like letting loose, and because typically हम लोग ऐसे एक image बना देते ना कि लड़कियों को shy होना चाहिए, ऐसे होना चाहिए. वो मजे करे, she's partying, and I love that. I mean, for me, that is the visual. Like even the shoot of the song. It was my first song shoot, and I was very amused. I was like, "क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?" Very, very amused. And I have this much energy. वो कैसे कर रही है इतना? So for me, it's a great memory, and I was very happy when the song came out. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys. That was so much fun chatting with you. Looking forward to watching the film. All the very
Thank you
best.
so much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.